Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how you flip a text in Canva. So let's start. First you need to select a text. I choose the word ponds and you can choose your word what you want. Now you download the text in PNG format and also select the background as transparent. Now you upload the picture. Select the picture and match with it to the window letter size. Now click on the flip button. This is the entire process of flip any text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. If the video fulfill your necessity, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks again for watching this video.